please, no! 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 No!
Some international Nokia 7 Plus were reportedly sending user data to China. Now this isn't good for Nokia because they just recently regained their reputation in the mobile industry and they are becoming one of the favorites in the Android community. And all that would have gone away just because of a simple error. Namaiwa Kenu and you're watching Enkoretech. So, what happened was, the device activation client that was meant only for the Chinese models of the Nokia 7 Plus was mistakenly put on a few phones that shipped internationally. Those Nokia 7 Plus phones tried to send the activation data to HMD Global server in China, but failed. And that made it send the data repeatedly, over and over again. The Chinese server in question actually belongs to HMD Global, even though the owner is mistakenly shown China Telecom. HMD Global admitted to having some legacy and poor quality code in its activation client and promises to improve its software quality. And they said nothing wrong has taken place behind the scenes, and the fix was already rolled out last month, but didn't explain why they kept it quiet. They also assured every Nokia 7 Plus owners that were affected by the bug that no identifiable personal information was transmitted or shared with any third party, and only newly activated phone data that is required for starting the phone's warranty was sent to China. But rest assured, all other Nokia phones send and store their data to Amazon Web Servers hosted in Singapore, and they are in full compliance with privacy laws and Europe's GDPR. So, only the Chinese models store their data in China because Chinese laws require that data originating from China should be stored in China. Except for this bug that made international models send data to China. What do you guys think about all this? Are you still gonna trust Nokia after something like this? Let me know in the comment section below. That being said, please subscribe to my channel to get more awesome tech updates like this and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post another video. Thanks for watching guys, peace out.